Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to get a discount on Asebbo. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Asebbo deals for 2026. Without further ado, let's begin. First, go to the Asebbo website and browse the available lunch bags, insulated totes, and other products. Take some time to compare the different styles, sizes, and colors to find the product that best suits your needs. Once you've found the item you want, select any available options and add it to your cart. Before checking out, look around the homepage for promotional banners, seasonal sales, and limited time offers that may help you save money on your purchase. You can also sign up for the Asebbo email newsletter to receive updates about new products, exclusive promotions, and subscriber-only discounts. New subscribers may also receive a discount on their first order. Now open your shopping cart and review all the items you've selected. Proceed to the checkout page and look for the promo code or discount code field. If you have a valid coupon code, enter it and click apply. Make sure the discount is reflected in your order total before continuing. You may also want to check for bundle deals, free shipping offers on qualifying orders, or special holiday promotions that can provide additional savings. Review your order carefully, including product details, shipping costs, taxes, and any discounts that have been applied. After that, enter your shipping and payment information. Double-check that everything is correct and that your savings have been applied successfully. Then complete your purchase using your preferred payment method. After placing your order, keep an eye on your email for future coupon codes, exclusive offers, and upcoming sales events. You can also follow Asebbo on social media to stay updated on new product launches, giveaways, and limited time promotions. Before making future purchases, check the Asebbo website again, as seasonal sales, newsletter offers, and occasional promo codes can help you save even more on your next order. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Asebbo deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.